Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing, and as you can see in the title, it's another package from Supreme. And it seems like I only buy bags from Supreme nowadays. And yes, I buy a lot of bags from Supreme, even though I really don't need them, especially not the sling bags. But from every season, I buy some kind of bag from Supreme. So I am absolutely the right guy to review and compare the bags. So a family sticker and 2 Supreme stickers. No, the other one is something weird with it. So it's 1 standard Supreme sticker and 1 something else. So the bags that I got this time are called, their collection for this spring summer is called Field. I don't know why, but they have an olive green one with a lot of writing on it, and I don't like that at all. And then they have their red, of course, and clean black. And from the first pictures, I was unsure if the red and black, or at least the red one, also had the writings, but it does not have the writing on it. So I don't know what they call Field about it, but so this is the 36-liter duffel bag that I hope will do fine as a daily bag, because my daily bag used to be a Goyard Boeing 45 that somebody stole from my crashed car. Yes, that's kind of world we live in. Somebody steals a bag from an extremely crashed car. And I got, as I said, a bunch of other Supreme bags, but they are a bit too big. I'm gonna fill it with something. They are a bit too big to use as a daily bag. And I think this is good enough for a daily bag. I could actually even do, I'm gonna fill it. So let's see what it looks like when it's filled. Well, I didn't fill it, I just put a jacket in it, but that will do. So, yeah, something like this. And as a daily bag, I think the size is perfect actually. So on the inside we have a net pocket. Let's put this up on. With zipper, a large one. And then on the other side we have also a small pocket like a passport, and a zipped pocket that is even smaller actually, maybe a driver's license or something. So the inside is used as usual with the Supreme bags and the duffel bags. On the outside, let me put the jacket back in. On the outside we have a compartment on the side, big enough. And I'm guessing on the other side as well, yes we have. These are not handles, I thought it would be, that's okay. Let me see, and this front pocket. Also quite small, but yeah, it works. I like these hooks you can carry, I don't know, water bottle or something. When I travel with the bags, I want to have my tile hanging like freely so I can get good. Oh, this is a handle. So why not on the other side? So the other side is just sewn in, but this one is a handle. And I like this because when I walk on a plane or something in tight space, I carry my bag like this in front of me. So I like that. And padded shoulder strap. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like this one. That's a daily bag. The size is, as they call it, 36 liters. I'm not sure about the measures. I can put that in my blog post. Check the link in the description. but this will do as a carry-on luggage on all planes. I'm pretty sure about that. So I like it. I like the size. So now on to the sling bag. And I'm actually happy with the latest sling bag that I bought. So yeah, this is for no good at all. But what made me buy this one was this pocket in the rear. Very few sling bags has this, and I don't know why. I really like that because some things I want to get easier access to, but still don't want it open in the front pocket, like my credit card or something in cash. I like to have that close to me and in a separate pocket. In the bag I have today, I have it in a separate pocket, but that separate pocket is on the inside of the large compartment. Do we have one like this here too? Yes, we do, but without a zipper. So that small one, maybe can have toothpicks or something. And then on the front, we have a larger pocket. That was really small, actually. I think it's precisely so I can fit an iPhone there. Let me test that. So the sizing and everything is nice with this. What do they call it? They don't call it a sling bag. Crossbody bag, I don't know what they call it. Yeah, sizing is nice. Of course, I like the Supreme logo on front. I really like the large rear pocket. The front pocket, let me see if I can fit an iPhone there. Now I have the Max, the large one. No. So if you have an iPhone Max, it will stick out. So that's the size reference I have. But otherwise, I like it. The only thing missing is an internal pocket with a zipper. The inside pocket does not have a zipper. So that's the only thing. But I will use it, give it a shot, move all my things from the pocket that I, from the bag that I have today. Yeah, kind of nice. And let me see if the... Okay, so the strap wasn't so easy to adjust as I thought it would be, but I guess that is a good thing. So when you pick your length, your size, it will stay like that. Yeah, it's good enough. Size is good enough. The strap is wide, so it's sort of comfortable. I like it. And the pricing on this, without taxes, was 60 euro, like 58 euro or something, and 140 something with that one. And with shipping, I think that Supreme has skipped the whole thing with if you buy something for over 200 euro, you will get free shipping, because this was over 200 euro, but I still did not get free shipping. So 225, 25 was the shipping, a bit over that. With taxes and PayPal exchange rate, this ended up costing me 300 euro, a bit more than I expected. But since the insurance company doesn't allow you to carry expensive bags in Sweden, this is so crazy. I haven't bought myself a new Goyard bag yet, because I thought that the insurance company would give me money for a new one, since it was like 2 months old when it got stolen. But no, you're not allowed to carry expensive things. So this is my non-expensive new daily bag. It says in the description, water protected or something. And yeah, if it only rains a little bit, it's gonna fall off. It's not wax protected or something, and it's absolutely not waterproof. But if it only rains a little bit, you're good enough. So yeah, this is my new daily bag. I like it, and I think I'm going to use this one as well. So yeah, 4 liters, 36 liters. The measures will be in the link in the description, and this one is sold out. No, this one is still left. This one is sold out, but I know that when they have a standard bag for the autumn, spring, summer, they will restock it like almost every Thursday. So you will be able to buy this one again. And don't pay resale. You will be able to buy it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, of course, let me know. Just ask me. I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, see you in the next video.